Every day, homeowners rely on their sewer systems without a second thought. But over time, underground pipes deteriorate due to age, shifting soil, and invasive roots. When trouble strikes, it's not always visible, but the signs are there. That's where Mr. Rooter Plumbing comes in. Our team arrives fully equipped with advanced tools and trenchless technology, ready to diagnose and repair hidden sewer problems with precision. In this video, see how Mr. Rooter Plumbing uses trenchless technology for a seamless, jointless sewer repair. Under your home is where these problems occur, hidden from sight but capable of causing major disruptions. In most cases, the sewer lateral, the pipeline that connects your home's plumbing to the city main, becomes compromised over time. Decades of use, shifting soil, and invasive tree roots can weaken cast iron pipes, leading to cracks, blockages, and costly damage. Left untreated, these issues can cause backups, slow drainage, and even foundation concerns. Our skilled team will locate an access point to begin the repair process, most commonly using a cleanout or an open pit to reach the damaged pipe. From here, we perform a detailed inspection using a high-resolution sewer camera. This advanced CCTV camera is carefully inserted into your sewer line, capturing a real-time view of its condition. With this precise imaging, the Mr. Rooter Plumbing Trenchless Repair Team can assess the severity of the damage and confirm the best approach for a lasting repair, without the need for disruptive excavation. With the damage confirmed, the next crucial step is preparing the existing pipe for a seamless repair. A specialized Hydroscrub unit arrives on site, equipped with high-pressure water technology designed to fully clean and descale the failing sewer line. The Hydroscrub process removes years of built-up grease, scale, and invasive tree roots, restoring the pipe's interior to a smooth, debris-free surface. Once the cleaning process is complete, we conduct a final inspection to confirm the host pipe is properly prepared for the new liner installation. Now the plumbing magic begins. Our inverter installs a new pipe liner inside your old sewer line. This new cured-in-place pipe creates a seamless, jointless, and, most importantly, fully sealed sewer line that's built to last for years to come. After the liner is installed, your Mr. Rooter Plumbing technician performs a final inspection to ensure your sewer line is fully restored and ready for years of trouble-free service. This is the latest in trenchless technology. Fast, reliable, and built to last. Don't wait until a small problem turns into a costly disaster. Call Mr. Rooter Plumbing today and take back control of your sewer system.